Hello everyone, good evening. We are here at the Proman stall. Let's start this conversation with sir, with your small, introduction.
Yeah, my name is Raghavan. I'm the managing director of Proman Infrastructure and the Proman group of companies. So we are been participating in every exhibition which is XCon here. So here we have displayed around 11 machines, and we have launched some new concept, like this is called the Pota Jaw, and then as a Pota Cone, which is basically a skid type of plants. And we also have an integrated a wash sand with thickener. So these are some of the new products that we have launched. And other than that, we have showcased our capabilities. It's a Proman is always known for the aggregate and the sand industries, but we have other group companies wherein we are able to add a lot of value to our customers and also the extended base of our customers. So we are, for example, we have our own foundry that's called the GTC. Then we have a company called QMS Pro, where we support other brands of crushers. Then we have our own crushing plant where we do a lot of experiments, and in which we also have a dry mix mortar plant, and that is also displayed here. And our main the subsidiaries of Proman is the bulk material handling. We've got some very good collaboration with Ashton Bulk and Tarma, and there we have called the Proman BMH, and also we have the separate dedicated industrial minerals and mining, where we will be doing all for the industrial minerals and also for the sizes for the coal. So, and our joint venture with an American company called Govt, that is also a showcase where we give complete solution for metal recycling for ferrous and non-ferrous. Yeah.
What sort of, difference you see from last XCons or this times?
See, we just started today, but XCon is, got more than 1,000 companies, I believe. Well, I think, it's so big now, it's very difficult to even focus. We are very focused in what we would like to offer. And one thing is for sure, you have a big crowd coming here, more than 80,000 people coming here who are quality customers. And we definitely will be able to showcase and get a lot of we'll definitely close some orders and also get a lot of interest, for which we will be getting more business.
What are the new trends you see for construction industry?
So new trend is basically people are looking for efficient, people are looking for partners who can add value. And as you say, you can see there are a lot of people who are can offer, but very few companies who can give solutions and add value as the customer is able to grow. So basically we can partner. Proman is one company where we can partner and add a lot of value to them growing along with us. So that I think very few people are able to do, and that's where our focus is. We don't focus on just the top line. We have good partnership, and we grow with our customers.
So sir, what will be your takeaway from this mega event, or what will be your roadmap for upcoming years?
Yeah, the takeaway is, as I said, all the verticals that we are going to Proman Group, what can it add to the customers, what value it can give to the customer. It is not just about price or cost, it is how we can make him stand out among his competition in terms of in his industry. So that is the kind of product showcase that we do, and that is the confidence Proman has been having. So that's what we showcase actually.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.